Hello everybody and welcome to this video. We're gonna show you how to set up and do the configuration of the app speed to lead for your sub account. Let's get started. First and foremost, we advise you to start creating the custom fields. So in order to do it, you just have to go at the setting and then you go at custom field. You need to create three custom fields, which are lead created timestamp, time to lead in minute, and first reply to timestamp. Let's start creating the first one. Add field, single line. Next, retire lead created timestamp. There you go. Just make sure it's contact and you make sure you save. The second one we come to is time to lead in minutes. Here and you save. And the last one, first reply timestamp, contact, and you save. So we have lead created timestamp, time to lead minute, and first reply to timestamp. There you go. You notice the three custom fields are already created. Now, the next step will be to go to automations and create the two automations required. Go back, automation, create a workflow, start from scratch. Remember, we need to create two automations in order to make the app work. The first one will be lead, which has two triggers. The first one is contact created. So let's create the first trigger, contact created. There you go. Click on it, save the trigger. And the second trigger is contact tag. We're gonna add a filter, tag added, select the tag, which is new lead, and we save the trigger. Now the next step is to create the action, update contact field, and we're gonna add a field here, which is lead created timestamp. We select it right now, we select the date, and then we select the time, 24-hour format. We create a space here, we save the action and we save the workflow. There you go. The next step right now will be to create the second workflow automation, which is time to lead outbound. Let's do it right now. Go back, we're going to create a workflow, start from scratch, time to lead outbound. Perfect. Now, this workflow requires two triggers, which are call status and outbound message manual. So let's start with call status. New trigger, we add the filter, call direction, and outbound, and we save the trigger. Now let's go for the second one. There you go, outbound message. Okay, we see that we don't have any action here, which means we need to install the app from our marketplace. Let's do it right away. So we go app to marketplace, search for outbound message manual. There you can install, allow and install, type the email address, continue. Success. The app is already installed. Now let's also install the app Speed to Lead. We have status Speed to Lead, which is already installed. There you go. We go back to the workflow, outbound message manual, type, we select our creator, select exit, and we save the trigger and we save the workflow. Now we're going to create the action, the first one, update the contact tag, to update the contact field. There you go. Add the field. Lead first reply to timestamp. So the date and the time, and we save the action. We save the second action that we're going to come to is a speed to lead. So do a global search, speed. There you go. Speed to lead action automation for workflows. Okay. The first input here, go ahead. Contact custom fields. The first custom field will be lead created timestamp. Second one down here, contact custom fields, lead first reply to timestamp, and then count. You want to search for the custom values. Lead count. There you go. Sum, custom values. Do the sum. And the last one, time to lead in minute. Custom field. Have time to lead in minute. Save the action. See the workflow. Next action, update contact field. We change the name here. The action speed to lead in minute. Add the field. Time to lead in minutes. Search for speed to lead, speed interval, and we save the action. And we save the workflow. Let's create another action, update custom value. Action name. Let's go for update sum, custom value, the value, search for speed to lead, sum, and we save the action. And we save the workflow. Next action will be to update the custom value. Update custom value. Now we go to new value, Search for speed to lead action, speed to lead average, and we save the action, we save the workflow. Perfect. Okay, let's come back here. Here's supposed to be an average speed to lead. So let's correct this. Average speed to lead. Perfect. Now we save and we save the work. We go for the last action, cost of value, increment. We save the action and we save the workflow. That's pretty much it, guys. All the assets are configured and the app has been set up. Now we can go on the app, speed to lead, to check the stats. Speed to lead, perfect. We have the statistics, we have a speed to lead, the lead counted, the average speed to lead minutes. We also have the documentation here, which enable you to go over all the instructions, the tutorials, the setup, which gives you the status of the app, that the app is already connected. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys.